Apple's earnings come out late Tuesday. The company could beat estimates. Angelo Zino, senior industry analyst at S&P Capital IQ, joins me now. Angelo, let's get to the numbers first. What are you looking for in terms of EPS and revenue growth?
So we're looking at about $1.84, which is above the street at about $1.80. And we're looking for earnings growth, actually top line growth north of 30% here for the quarter.
What are three things in this report that you're going to have your eye on?
Yeah, so I mean, first and foremost, it's going to be the iPhone. The iPhone contributes about 70% of the total company revenue here. So, whether the company can continue that momentum from recent quarters on the launch of the iPhone 6, I think will be key. Second, it's going to be where is China growth looking like these days for Apple? And once again, we expect this to be a stellar quarter for the company from that perspective, as they're pushing all the buttons correctly out in China. And then third, it's going to be the Apple Watch. While it's not going to be a big contributor to growth, it's going to be, I think, a big psychological data point for investors out there. So really, those are going to be the three biggest factors we think that you need to look at.
Do you think they'll actually break out the Apple Watch numbers?
Unfortunately not. I mean, it appears like Tim Cook kind of wants to keep that close to him, not let his competitors know what's out there, what they're doing. So unfortunately, we think they're going to lump it in their others segment, which to us is going to be a negative catalyst.
Is this stock a buy on the earnings report, or is there another way to play it?
Yeah, I mean, we've seen kind of the stock, appreciate here in recent days in anticipation of a beat. We think most of the street is aware that they're going to beat the numbers quite handily. Our belief, though, is as you exit the numbers here, the concerns still remain about what's going to happen. As you exit the calendar year and the growth starts to decelerate, the comps become much more difficult. So, as you exit, the quarter here. Or the numbers, we don't expect it to be a buy, and that's why we have a hold recommendation.
Angelo Zino of S&P Capital IQ, thanks so much.
Thanks for having me.
I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.